Hello, everybody. Today, we wanted to give you a preview of one of the classes I teach, How Credit Works. My name is Jim Perkins, and I'm the branch manager at SWBC in Tysons, Virginia. I'm also a certified instructor for the Cindy Bishop Worldwide School and an approved instructor for the state of Virginia for real estate financing and credit. Let's dig into it. So what you need to know, this course is going to talk to you about the importance of credit scores and residential loan financing. And the reason why, and we're just going to go over a couple of the highlights in this course, but the credit scores can make a big difference for your borrower. If you have a credit score that's 760 and one that's 640, the difference in the interest rate can be as high as 0.5%. And one area that we'll key in on is the PMI. If there's PMI on a loan, that difference can change to several $100s a month, which can limit what the borrower can qualify. These are things that you really need to know, and we'll point that out in the course. We'll also talk about the three major credit reporting agencies and their role in determining credit scores. We'll talk about their models and how they come up with the credit scores. We'll talk about how a credit score is comprised, go over the categories of that, and give you an idea of how it works. And then we'll also give advice for agents so they can give their clients to improve their credit scores. Now, this knowledge that you'll get from this course will help increase your sales, and it will develop a strong client loyalty. You can use this knowledge to help your clients benefit, because just by some simple suggestions that you can give your clients, it can change their credit scores, and they will end up getting a much better rate and also a lower payment, lower PMI. They'll be eternally grateful to you, and that'll build their loyalty, but they'll also give you a lot of referrals for that. So you want to use this knowledge to build your client loyalty, because they will thank you every month when they make that payment and knowing that they'll have a lower payment. Also, we're going to talk about the best practices, the do's and don'ts, and we'll go over a bunch of other things in the course, and then we'll answer any questions that students may have as we teach the course. If you'd like to get more information about this course and additional courses, either virtual or in person, go to